So recently I took an ethical hacking workshop and there was this guy who taught us how to hack into any website. So here I am with the same and I'm gonna show you how you can hack into any website very easily. Now open a website URL which would contain $ID equal to some random number at the end of the URL. Type in apostrophe and hit enter. If the page now goes blank or shows some error, then the page is vulnerable. We now need to find all the vulnerable links for the same. This is done by typing in order by, which is then followed by a number, and then the query is ended by putting two consecutive dashes. We'll keep on incrementing the order by number till we get the original page again. Here we see that the first 8 links are vulnerable or show some kind of error. We now type in After doing so, if you don't get any output, then we simply insert a minus or a dash sign before it. It should now show some output. And here we see the numbers 2 and 6. This means that we can select the data from 2 and 6. We now simply replace 2 with database and hit enter. And there we see the database. Now in order to get the table name of the database, we type in Now in order to see all the database tables, we type in We now find that our table name should be stored in Lido_user. We now do the same thing to get the names of the columns. And you should now find 2 columns named as username and password. In order to get the row values for the same, we type in so we get the username as admin. Now for password, we just type in password in place of username and hit enter. And there you go, you now get the password as admin too. And now you can simply log into this website as an administrator from the cPanel of this website. Thank you for watching today's video. Leave a like if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.